Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert video to your URL. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. To turn any video you have on your computer to a link that anyone can access, follow these steps. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Make sure that you are logged in with your Gmail. You can find right here on top right where you can sign in, and make sure that your email at gmail.com is signed in. Then, in the search bar right here, you're going to search for Google Drive. Once you click on Google Drive right here, you're going to click on Google Drive Sign In. Once you are right here, all you have to do is to click on the plus sign on the top left where it says New. And then from here, you're going to click on File Upload. Once you click on File Upload, it's going to show you your file directory. And so you're going to look for the video where you have saved it. Mine is here in the videos section, in this folder. As you can see, there are multiple videos, and so I would like to upload this one. Once that is being uploaded, you can see right here for the link. All you have to do now is to click this button where it says Show File Location. And now that you have this video, then you can just simply click on More Actions. And then you can then click on Share. Once you go to Share, you can then just share. And now you're going to make sure that it goes from restricted to anyone with the link. Now that you made it for anyone with the link, copy the link, and there you have it. Now that you have the URL. So if I open a new browser for the link, then it's going to send me directly right here, and I could watch the video. And there you go. That is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.